I have the Rabbit R1, and every Rabbit R1 has a passcode. So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change your passcode on the Rabbit R1. So what you need to do is give your Rabbit a good shake to get to settings, and then scroll on the settings page until you get to security. Select that, and then select change a passcode by pressing the side button. So it's going to ask you to enter your current passcode. So my current passcode is 00000, and then it's going to ask me now to continue, and then I'll enter, or rather I'll create a passcode, which basically means create a new passcode. So I want my new passcode to be 1234. So what I'll do is I'll scroll to 1, select that, then 2, select that, then 3, and then 4, and select that. And then I'll tap on continue, and it's going to ask me to confirm by re-entering that new passcode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it says my passcode has been set, and I can now select continue, and that's basically how to change your passcode. With the passcode changed, I can now scroll up, select settings, once again scroll all the way up, and select home to go back to the home page. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.